So hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook dark mode option is not showing on iPhone and iPad. Lot of Facebook user has been reporting to Facebook dark mode option is not showing on iPhone and iPad. Now the Facebook users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now first important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all open the Facebook application. Now right hand side bottom select the three lines and scroll down and select the settings. In the settings dark mode option is not showing. Now question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Now the first one important solution is now first of all find out the Facebook applications on your iPhone. Now you can see also remove app, delete app and uninstall app option available. Now please make sure tap on it. Once the Facebook application uninstallation done, after again come back in home screens and open the App Store. In the App Store top corner search bar, in search bar search Facebook and you can easily download and install again Facebook applications on your iPhone and Android. Now the second solution is also important. Now the solution is if you using the old version of the Facebook, then you can easily update your Facebook account. Now again find out the App Store in your iPhone and open it. Now top corner search bar, in search bar search Facebook application. If you latest update available, now please make sure latest versions to update your Facebook applications on your iPhone and Android device. This all the things done. After you can see also how to enable dark mode on Facebook applications in your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all open the Facebook applications, right hand side bottom to select the menu icon. In the menu section scroll down and select the settings and privacy. Now again tap on the settings. In the settings section scroll down and select the dark mode option available. Now please make sure tap on it. Now the tap on the on buttons. Now this way too you can easily enable dark mode on your Facebook in your iPhone and Android device. These two solutions too you can easily fix your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you need query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.